Meaning of illywhacker.
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 Illywhacker. Illywhacker is a term used to describe someone who is a dishonest or unreliable trickster. It is often used to refer to people who engage in confidence tricks or scams to deceive others out of money or property. This term is commonly used in Australia and was popularized by the 1985 novel of the same name by Peter Carey. Illywhackers often use charm and persuasion to win over their victims, but ultimately their intentions are deceitful. The term reflects the negative perception of individuals who engage in fraudulent activities and highlights the importance of honesty and trustworthiness in personal and professional relationships.